how to enable device control as screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. So you will see display is here, so click on display. Scroll down and click on screensaver. You will see screensaver is here, so click on screensaver. So if you want to enable device control on screensaver, so you will see device control is here, so click on device control. So you will see device control is enabled on screensaver. So after enable device control, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable device control as screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.